Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to see sensitive content on Twitter. We'll guide you step by step to enable the setting so you can view restricted media easily. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech videos. First, open any internet browser on your device. This setting usually doesn't work properly from the mobile app, so it's important to use a browser instead. Once your browser is open, go to the Twitter website and sign in to your account. After logging in, click on your profile icon, usually located at the top corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Now inside Settings, go to Privacy and Safety. Then click on the section called Content You See. Here you will find an option labeled Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Simply turn this option on. Once you enable this setting, the changes are saved automatically. Now you can go back and use the Twitter app as usual, and you should be able to view sensitive content without restrictions. If this video helped you solve the problem, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others facing the same issue. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.